So we are talking today Independence Day. So why we are celebrating Independence Day? We know
that the Independence Day is a very special day, and I think somewhere we all know that the why we celebrate it.
Good for us, and I think we should be respect our India. And the second thing, if you know about like in
Hello, first of all, I would like to wish you Bharat Mata ki Jai, Vande Mataram, and that's why I'm really talking.
Bhimrao Ambedkar, these freedom fighter always support the education. The right now
Why? Because as we are celebrating our 80th Independence Day, and it is very beneficial.
school time there has different functions and lot of students. Our freedom fighter did a lot of things to our India, to for us. So we all.
Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! So Maria, today I'm very happy today. It's not my जन्मदिन my dear, but बहुत बढ़िया फेस्टिवल है आज, क्योंकि आज है 15 अगस्त और आज पूरी दिल्ली में पतंग उड़ेंगी। लेकिन आज हमारे स्टूडेंट्स आपको इंग्लिश में बताएंगे हाउ टू सेलिब्रेट 15 अगस्त my dear, Independence Day my dear. So today we have selected 8 students who will speak my dear: Sonal, Rubina and Namita and Falak, Yuvraj, Rasi, Pankaj and Nana. So they are the 8 students and they will speak today why it is celebrated and how it is celebrated my dear. So really you will enjoy this video. So today you will collect knowledge from us and you will get knowledge, and apart from you can learn how to speak in English. So let's start.
So good morning all of you. Today good morning. So we are talking today Independence Day. So why we are celebrating Independence Day? We know very well we got freedom from the British. That's why we are that's why we are celebrating our Independence Day. Sometimes we feel we are very free because of our freedoms fighter. So that's a thing. That's why we are celebrating everything. That's why we have a rights to education. We have a rights to whatever you want to wear, you can wear, and where do you want to go, you can go, because of our freedom fighter. We should respect them.
Yeah, agree with your points, because you know that the Independence Day is a very special day, and I think somewhere we all know that the why we celebrate it, because we got freedom, right? But somewhere I also noticed in previous time in schools most of the students participate and all, and they fly the kite. But in nowadays they indulge in a mobile phones, so this is also not good, right? As a youth, as a Gen Z generation, we have to fly the kite and play some national songs and respect this kind of things.
Yeah, ma'am, you are totally right. We should be respect our India. We got freedom from the British, but we have to be also talk about to our like those person who fight to us. Just for example, Jyotiba Phule, Savitri Bai Phule, Rani Lakshmi Bai. We should be remember that person who fight for us, that we got the freedom for the study, for the lot of the thing. So and we should be respected. And the second thing is that like our like tomorrow we will be like got the freedom from the 80 years will be completed. So it's very good for us, and I think we should be respect our India. And the second thing, if you know about like in 2020.
So yes, hello. First of all, I would like to wish you Bharat Mata ki Jai, Vande Mataram, and that's why I'm really talking about the Independence Day. And it's been 80 years of our independence, and it's really nice because we are an independent country. And there are a lot of main things we are sure to talk about, that we are independent. But the main thing is that in some regions we are not independent right now fully. But say that India is a great country. We have developed a lot. India is still a developing country. But the main thing is that we are our freedom fighters did a lot of sacrifices for us, for our freedom.
Yes, sir. I agree your point that our freedom fighter always support to us, our country. The right now, yes, the Sonal ma'am also said to the Jyotiba Phule, Bhimrao Ambedkar. These freedom fighter always support the education. The right now, every girls and man's the educate because of the freedom fighter. That's why. And right now, you also saw the girls.
Miss, agree with your points. First of all, Jai Bharat, Jai Man. Why? Because as we are celebrating our 80th Independence Day, and it is very beneficial for us, as no one is focusing on flying the kite, but we should focus on flying the kite. Why? Because as if we cut any kite, so that is the independence of that kite. As well as we are aware about we are celebrating only Independence Day, but we are not aware about those things like who
Yeah,
invented our national anthem, who invented
yeah,
our
I
national song.
appreciate with your point, with your all points, because in the Independence Day we can see there are a lot of students, they have different craze. We can see in the student in the previous time, we just in the school time, just there has different functions, and lot of students they dance in the student in the school, and it is also good. And we can see a lot of boys they fly the kite it's also good. But I have a one thought, it's not good. Just they, in the Independence Day, lot of people they earn the fame of the independence,
Okay,
because
ma'am, I agree to all the points that we should proud to be Indian. We should proud to be things we have, because just because of our freedom fighter, just because of the people who survive a lot to just get the freedom to us, and we should be proud on that. We should be carry on this kind of thing. If our freedom fighter did a lot of thing to our India, to for us, so we also have the responsibility to do the things for our upcoming generation, to feel them independent, to feel them that yeah they are Indian and they should proud to be in India and be the part of India.
Right.
And I yeah.
Right, you are right. I appreciate all of your point, and I am saying only one thing: we got freedom. That's why we are celebrating. So it doesn't matter you are kid, you are adult. Just celebrate, because we will, celebrate 80th, Independence Day. So please make sure you just wear new clothes. It's a white one that looks very nice. Just dance, just whatever you want, but just don't trouble your parents and other also, because we think we are independent, but we should respect for everyone. That's we will call this is our country. We respect for everyone.
Yes, definitely, I agree with your point. But the main thing is that that when I was in the school in school time, and a lot of you can say that student dance on Desh Rangila, Vande Mataram, a lot of songs, and that's a really joyful moment for all of us. And the flag hosting is the best part, because when they host the flag and when we sing the national anthem, that's a really proud moment for all of us. And for examples that if you are an athlete also, and when you win any kind of a tournament, and when they play our national anthem, that makes us feel a really pride. That's all just because we love to be an Indian. We are very proud to be an Indian. So you can say that our India is none. You can say that no less than any kind of any countries in the
Yeah, sir,
in the
you are
world.
totally right that you said like we should be respect our India, even that we celebrate with the help of dance, with the help of the national anthem. But as a girl, but I just want to say that just remember one thing, like in our constitution, write the wrote like our India is a democracy country. For what do you think? As a girl, I don't think so. Girls has a freedom. Like in a constitution, they wrote it like our India is a democratic country. But I don't think so. As a girl, just we can be see nowadays, lot of the crime is happening. Like we have to be asked to our parents whenever we want to go anywhere. Just think, we are freedom. I'm not thinking of we are freedom, because we have to be ask that person that we can be
Yeah,
anywhere.
also agree with your points, because the way you said that we have like so many constitutions, right? But it up to us how we are applied it, right? We have to follow it or not. I think be a person of our India, we have to respect our flag, our national anthem, and the people, and how it can be changed by you guys, by us, right? If we contribute something, definitely we feel proud, and like there is some different happiness which we feel, and I think we have to respect this kind of things. Apart from it, I think the one thing you will guys do, that try to contribute towards your nation, because nation gives you lots of things. Apart from it, I have noticed one thing also, that when it's time to give something, so on that time most of the people move to abroad country when it's time to gain knowledge.
Yeah, ma'am, I appreciate for your all points, because in the yeah, I want to talk one thing. Just in the Independence Day, we can see the same thing, that in the just Independence Day, lot of influencer they wanna earn fame, and before the independent, and they just throw the flag on the outside. We can see lot of flag they throw the outside, and it's not good. It's not good. I think we all should just respect of the Indian flag on the India, and we
Appreciate
can't.
your point, ma'am. You have done very good and valid point. But I would like to start with my points. Few people are aware about who wrote national anthem, who started our flag. Means our flag introduced in 22 July 1921, and now we are celebrating and introducing our flag. And no one is aware about Rabindranath Tagore, who written our national anthem. No one is aware about Bankim Chand Chatterjee, who has written our national song. No one is aware of. We should aware about our right. We should aware about our Indian culture. But we are going out
Yes,
from our
sir,
Indian
I have
culture.
to set your point because right now every person that think about this, I buy the flag. After that, throw the in the road. It is really not good. It's respect our flag. So please, you should take care your flag. And after that, the second thing is that the right now every person listen the one song is that hum honge kamyab. So definitely every person think about yes we are achieve our goals in the one day. Definitely it is really good sound and the every person listen on that day. Really it is fantastic day. On that day on I also saw the sky
Yeah, ma'am,
really.
I agree to your all's point that yeah, from the childhood we see that how to celebrate the Independence Day. We from the school to the college to the university. From the childhood, our teachers taught us a lot of things about the independence, about our freedom fighter, about a lot of things about our constitution. That in the India we should have a lot of things to be proud. That India have a biggest democratic country in the whole world. India have the biggest constitution in the whole world. We have a lot of right, we have a lot of things, and I think we should all to become a freedom fighter and do more thing to for our country, by which our country will become more good in other sector as well. That in the all the sector India did a lot of good things.